My brothers and sisters, I apologize if this video takes a long time, but if you listen to this video carefully, you will benefit a lot. May the peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah be with you all. Esteemed colleagues, we all face challenges that hinder our ability to be productive. Today, we'll explore overcoming idleness, a common obstacle that can prevent us from achieving our goals. The impact of idleness. Idleness can have significant consequences. It can limit our ability to fulfill our commitments, whether in our personal or professional lives. Neglecting responsibilities can lead to negative repercussions. Contribute meaningfully. When we're idle, we miss opportunities to make a positive impact on our communities and workplaces. Reach our full potential. Idleness can prevent us from learning, growing, and achieving our goals. Understanding the root causes. There are several factors that can contribute to idleness, including lack of clear goals. When we don't have a defined purpose or direction, it can be difficult to find the motivation to take action. Fear of failure. The apprehension of not succeeding can lead to procrastination and avoidance of challenge. Unhealthy habits, poor sleep, inadequate nutrition, and a lack of physical activity can all contribute to feelings of lethargy. Strategies for overcoming idleness. Here are some strategies to combat idleness and cultivate a more productive mindset. Set SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals provide a clear roadmap for action and a sense of accomplishment as you achieve them. Develop a routine. Establishing a regular schedule for sleep, work, and relaxation helps maintain focus and reduces decision fatigue. Break down large tasks. Feeling overwhelmed by a large project can lead to procrastination. Divide it into smaller, more manageable steps. Reward yourself. Celebrate your achievements, both big and small. This positive reinforcement helps maintain motivation. Seek support. Surround yourself with positive and productive people who can encourage you on your journey. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, also addressed the issue of idleness. A hadith narrated by Abu Hurairah relays the Prophet's words: seek refuge with Allah from helplessness, laziness, cowardice, miserliness, and negligence. This hadith emphasizes that idleness can have negative consequences beyond simply being unproductive. It can lead to feelings of helplessness and hinder us from taking positive action in our lives. Understanding the roots of idleness. Before we embark on overcoming idleness, it's important to understand its potential causes. Sometimes, a lack of energy or motivation can be a sign of underlying health concerns. Consulting a healthcare professional can be a helpful first step. Idleness can also stem from a lack of clear goals or direction. When we don't have a strong sense of purpose, it's easy to become disengaged. Finally, negative self-talk and self-doubt can fuel idleness. The voice that whispers, "I can't," or "it's too hard," can paralyze us before we even begin. Conclusion. Overcoming idleness is a continuous process. By understanding its causes and implementing these strategies, we can cultivate a more productive mindset and achieve our full potential. Remember, even small steps forward can lead to significant progress over time.